the probability wasn't there for it to go down yet, right? So now let's see what happens on the next candles, and let's see if we can maybe do something. So let's look at the next candle here. Let's see how it prints. Oh, look. So, okay. Now, what does this mean? This probably means that, okay, now we're potentially heading down, right? We're potentially heading down because price, it tried to move up. Look at this wick here. What does this mean? Well, this means that price tried to move up, and then it looked left, and it said, oh, Mr. Wick, you made a wick here for some reason. Okay, mate. So it moved down. It rejected that area, and then you had the next candle that tried to move up back in this zone, but it closed below all these candles to the left, right? It closed below all these candles to the left. So what does this mean? Now there's a higher chance that we are going to move down than we're going to move up. Let's look at the next candles here. See this? We moved down, and where did we move till? We moved till this area, this wick area where we had highlighted, right? But the idea here was that, okay, obviously we had a confirmation here with this bearish candle, but the probability wasn't there for it to move down yet, right? And then once you were looking at the charts you're waiting, you saw this candle move, break below than all these candles. So you can say, okay, you know what? We got the Mr. Gladiator here, which did what all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles could not do. So now basically now we're trying to move down. Let's see the chart. So box and wait. Yeah, exactly. Box and wait. Box and wait. You're waiting for that one candle to break below or above than the previous candles. Let's see what happens next. Oh, okay, yeah. We continue to move down, right? So again, we had this big candle move. Big candle move means a lot of volume in the market, right? So you eventually caught the big candle move down. So when you caught this move down, it moved all the way down here to support. And when you're looking left, you see all these clusterfuck of candles. So you're saying, okay, you know what? Maybe price is going to have some issues here because you see this bullish candle, it rejected it. So now you place your stops at break even and you let the Forex gods do what they want to do with price. And what did they do? They kept moving down, and when price starts to move down, you're looking left to see the destination. Maybe the destination is down over here. Or if you're a conservative trader, maybe for you the destination is down over here, right? Because you see that price stopped over here. It formed a bullish candle, but this bullish candle was very weak. Look at the body, man. This was very weak body. This does not mean we're going to move up. This was a very weak body candle. And the next candle, look at this candle. This is like that fucking golem from Lord of the Rings. Skinny candle doing nothing. No strength in moving up, right? So because you needed a strong bullish candle forming right over here, something like this. So you can say, okay, now we formed support, and we can keep a stop down here, and we can, like, you know, maybe move up. But this candle was weak, right? So you kept your stops at break even, and you caught some pips, and you're like, okay, you know what? We lost the trade, but then we eventually won a trade. Let's see the chat here. Don't worry about the time frame, just pay attention to what he's saying. Yeah, exactly. So it's this is just for the candles, you know. This is just, let's say this is a 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame. Let's put it that way, because you're looking for strong confirmation, and strong confirmations happen on 30-minute and the 1 hour. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so what's happening over here, mate? All right, so what do we got here? We have, oh, I'm going to use my arrows now. We had a strong bullish candle moving up. So let's say that you came to the charts right over here. You had a strong bullish candle moving up, and then you had this weak bullish candle that formed, which dictates that, okay, you know what, maybe bullish momentum is dying down. And then you have this weak bearish candle moving here. Now, the trend is bullish, right? You have a bullish trend, but you have a bearish candle forming. And then you have a weak bullish candle forming. So does this tell us that we're moving up? No, I don't think so. I don't think we're moving up, right? Because now what we got to do is we got to wait for the next candle to close, right? So let's see what the next candle does. Oh, we have a bearish candle moving. So now, perfect. we have a bearish kind of forming. So now some people are going to say, okay, you know what we're going to do? We're probably going to keep